Sorry for the fan song, but bear with me. There is this bad habit that humans have, the art of giving excuses, and humans are so good at it. Right? When I say humans, I don't mean anyone else, I mean myself. Right? So, content creation has been my thing. I have wanted to do content creation, right? I wanted to post such videos, I wanted to talk in such videos, I wanted to make such videos, right? I was like having these big dreams, when I was in 10th standard. I was like, I'm going to make videos on, study tips, wo karengi, ye karengi. And then I was like, no, I can't make because I'm in 10th. And then 11th standard, I was doing my JE. And then I was like, no, bro, now I'm going to lock in and I'm going to do my JE realistic day videos, how I study, how I, get up in the morning and study and this and that. And then I was like, no, this is the time to study. I'm going to study and I'm going to get into a good IIT, NIT, and I see all these IIT, NIT videos on YouTube, so I will make one such video, right? So I was like, okay. I studied hard, I failed in JE, I couldn't get into an IIT. I got into a government college though. So I got in, I was like, bro, after my advanced is over, as soon as advanced is over, that's time between getting into college and advanced. After advanced and getting into college, I'm going to start making videos, so by the time I enter college, I'll have some decent number of followers on Instagram and followers, and so that I can you know just get started. No, I didn't start. I started, but I failed. Then I went to college. I was like, bro, just now I came into college. What will people think of me? Hmm, I don't want to be known as someone. I will start. Okay. If it is a Wednesday, I'll say, oh, Monday I'll start. Or Saturday, Sunday I'll start because I'll have more time to edit these videos. Or Thursday I'll start. No. Coming Friday I'll start. And then Friday I'll say, oh, from Monday exams are there. And then I would be like, no, I'm going to make a video. In spite of an exam, I will make a video. I'll post it, and then I'll become shy. And then in middle of exam, I think I should start content creation. And then I'll be like, okay, once exams are over, I will start. Once this year ends, starting of the year, I will start. Starting of the week, I will start. And then first year is over. Second year, from second year, full content creation. I will post my everyday. I will teach this. वो करेंगी. Today is 14th May 2026. It's been over 4 years since I wanted to create videos on YouTube. And I'm telling you, I kept blaming situations around me. I kept blaming people around me, saying, oh, what will my friends think? What will my roommates think? I'm telling you, no one is thinking anything. No one. No one is thinking nothing. Right? But in spite of it, I was just overcomplicating it. You're out here giving excuses because you don't want to do it. Come on, yaar, like, see, get serious. Okay? You are not doing something because you are lazy, you are scared, you lack the courage, you lack the confidence. It is you, right? It could be different factors that contributed into you not having courage or you not doing something. But right now, right, the reason that you are not doing something is not because of the people around you, but the person within you, right? This just look at yourself in the mirror and say, I am not doing something because of this, right? And never be like, oh, my friends will judge. No, you are more scared, or you are yourself procrastinating, and you are having a very valid reason, as you call it to be, as I call it to be, saying that my friends, what will my friends think, what will your friends think? What are you doing? You are sitting in front of a camera and posting videos. What is the maximum they will think? What is the maximum they will think? What? You and your brain are finding strings to attach, right? You are finding reasons to attach to your issues. to your insecurities, to your whatevers, right? And the reason, the excuse is friends or family or whatever, right? Start doing what you want to do. This is a video for myself, right? I am making this video because the future Jonah, who's going to procrastinate anyhow, will, say to herself, will watch this video and say, Jonah, you are not doing something because you lack the courage, not because someone else is going to judge you for it. Okay. And second thing is, actually, this is the first thing I should say, the most primary thing. You doing it, you not doing it, that's secondary, right? That's up to you. That's your headache to handle. But stop blaming things around you for it. Because I'm telling you, today it's a small thing, right? Content creation. It's not like tomorrow I won't have food on my plate if I don't do content creation, right? When you have this victim mentality, right, of things don't happen to me because of XYZ reasons, when you start putting it into your head that there is a reason as to why certain things aren't happening, there is a reason, when you start giving the reasoning to your laziness, to your inability, to your whatever, right? You will end up giving only reasons and you will end up justifying every wrong thing all your life. I didn't get placed because, oh, of course, college was biased. I didn't get into a good company because I did everything, but this didn't happen, that didn't happen. I didn't do it well because of this, right? So you're just going to blame, you're going to play the blame game all your life, you're going to have this victim mentality all your life. So stop it, remove it, okay? You achieve in life, you don't achieve in life, that's secondary. Right? You do what you want to do in life, that's secondary. Right? You get placed, you don't get placed, that's secondary. But you take the responsibility. Like, let's say you get placed, you get placed in your dream company, right? You get into uh, you get a salary hike, okay? Or you you get into your dream college, right? Or you started doing the things that you were always scared of. Do you give 100% credits to people around you? No, you don't. Then how do you think you have the audacity? How do you have the audacity? I am looking, my camera. You can't see, but my camera is set up in a selfie camera mode, so I can see my face here. So when I point to you, I'm pointing to the Jonah that I see in the screen. You, Jonah, how do you think you can blame someone else for your inability or for your incapability to do something? Right? Just think about it and let it sink in. Because if it doesn't sink in today, you will play the blame game all your life and it will become so convenient, right? I didn't excel in life because, oh, what happened? I didn't do this in life because, oh, this happened, right? Stop the blame game today.